The Indianapolis Public Library is proud to have been named an American Star Library in 2015 by Library Journal. The library's Director of Strategic Planning and Assessment, Chris Cairo, recently explained the methodology used by Library Journal.
And the Library Journal then rates libraries, takes all this data, and they rate this libraries based upon 4 different categories: number of library visits annually, the circulation of libraries annually, program attendance, and public computer use. And then these are all grouped by total expenditures, and there are 9 groups of expenditures, and based on this data, libraries are ranked. There were, in 2015, 7,663 public libraries that were scored on this Library Journal Index. And just to put that in context, there are about 9,082 public libraries in the country, so it was a very rich group of libraries that participated in this index, and of that, 261 were given star status. 15 of those are grouped in the $30 million and above expenditures, which is where the Indianapolis Public Library lands. And 54 of those are returning star libraries, totally out of the 7,663. But what you need to know that 2 of those returning libraries were the Toledo-Lucas County Public Library in the $30 million and above, and the Indianapolis Public Library. So it's a very illustrious award and in a very illustrious group to be in. Just to tell you how much, that more U.S. public libraries participated in this process in 2015 than had ever in all of the years since it was initiated in 2009. And this is what it looks like. The states with the most stars are New York with 39, Ohio with 28, and Indiana has 7. And here's how we rank according to our peers. You can see that in total circulation, out of the 17, Indy Public Library is 6th, with almost 16 million circulation annually. So that's all the libraries in the country in our expenditure range, and there's 60 of them. We rate 6th in circulation. I mean, that is really something to be very proud of. In the number of library visits, we rank 13th. Total program attendance, we rank 13th. And in public library use, we rank 15th. Although this is not a perfect system, it is the only system that we have available to us to rank ourselves nationally. It is used by our entire industry, so we want to be working with the same data that everybody else is in the country, and it allows us to measure our institutional performance with other libraries our size. Since we're the largest library in the state of Indiana, to compare ourselves to other libraries in the state isn't as valuable to us as taking a look at ourselves with other libraries with the same size, the same budget, and the same branches and other data points. And last, it challenges us to review our services and to look at ourselves and our performances and to measure that and to push ourselves to be the very, very best that we can be.
In the future, the ratings index will include such per capita measurements as e-circulation, Wi-Fi usage, and reference transactions. For more on the American Star Library rating, go to libraryjournal.com.